What's up guys, my name is Meg Juma. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel and do not miss any videos from me that I will be posting every single Tuesday. So in this video this week, we'll be speaking about how to apply the law of attraction into your life. Using the law of attraction is all about using a source that helps you to achieve your dreams. This source is available to you every single moment, and you use it to co-create the life that you want. You use it to achieve your dreams, you use it to go after your dreams, you use it to create the current life that you have. However, you need to understand that when it comes to the law of attraction, rather the source, the universe, this universal source has no language like we human beings. So the only thing that it understands is frequencies and vibrations. Like whenever we're asking for something, it's what we're omitting and it's what is giving it back to us. So whenever you ask, you're in a lack frequency. I don't have it, that's why I'm asking for it, and it gives back to you, but it gives back to you in an abundance frequency. So you need to move from the lack frequency into the abundant frequency in order to achieve it. But however, most of the people I say, I tried it, I asked for it, but I didn't receive it. You will never receive it if your vibration does not match that of the universe. There are 4 main activities that I use every single time, and these activities really help me to maintain a daily frequency of good positive thoughts. So whenever I'm manifesting or using the law of attraction, it just works very quickly for me because I'm already in that frequency. So one of the practices that I use on a consistent basis is journaling. Journaling is something that is very important to me, and I write down the things that I'm grateful for every single day. There is no way you're going to be grateful and stay in a bad mood. For you to even be grateful, you're in a good mood already. So it's one of the things that can help you raise your emotional scale, or rather raise your frequency, for you to be able to be on a better mood and be able to receive the things that you want. The second one is visualization. Visualization is very important. Every single day for about 15 minutes to 10 minutes, I sit down and think about my goals and play videos in my head on how it will feel like me achieving my goals. Whenever you're visualizing your goals, your mind does not know the difference between you having it in real sense and you not having it. Visualization activates, or rather sends signals to your mind that you already have that thing that you're visualizing. Hence, it sends it to you. The third one is meditation. Meditation is one of the things that you really use to focus on your frequency, pay attention to the things that you want to attract into your life, and the things that you give attention to are the things that grows. The fourth one is journaling. Okay, I mentioned about gratitude journaling, but there is scripting journaling, writing down your dream life. I use this mostly on my lunch breaks whenever I'm working. Every single lunch break I always sit down with my you can use anything, but you journal on the things that you want in your life. Say maybe, oh, I love how today I had a very good day, I love the house that I lived in today. You just put out your dream life, put a scenario in your head and use it as your dream life, illustrate it, talk about the things that you love about your dream life, speak about your, maybe say, oh, I imagine it, use it to imagine, script it, like imagine it, attach feelings to it. This is one of the ways that you really use to co-create the life that you want with the universe, and helps you to get on that frequencies. These 4 activities are things that if you do on a constant basis, it will help you to stay on a really positive frequency. So whenever you want something, it's going to be easy for you to attract it back into your life, because you're already in that frequency, you're already in that vibration. You have created thoughts that allow you to really focus on your goals. You have created thoughts that really support your vision, and it's very easy for you to be there, or rather it's very easy for you to receive. One of the things that people really have a hard time is receiving the things that they have been asking for. So through these 4 exercises, if you really implement them, you will really be able to receive the things that you have been asking for every single time. So I will be sharing some prosperity activities that you can use to manifest these things into your life, and I'll be sharing it in my private book club. It's called the High on Ambition. I'll leave the link below so that you can be able to join, and you'll find the activities that I use on a daily basis, or rather some of the exercises that I use, and you can enjoy them and use them and play the games with the law of attraction and see how fast these things will happen to you. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have fun with practicing the law of attraction. Use it as much as you can. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.